The Australian off-road landscape is set to receive a powerful blend of rugged capability, torque-rich turbocharged performance and practical luxury when Lexus unveils its all-new GX Large 4x4 SUV, expected mid-year. The new GX is designed for global markets and will be the first time the nameplate has been seen in Australia, offering customers 7-seat flexibility, a rugged yet refined exterior, inviting luxury and real off-road and towing capability in 3 grades. It opens with the 7-seat GX 550 Luxury, which can be upgraded to the GX 550 Sports Luxury version, which offers comfort features. For those looking to take their GX to serious off-road terrain, the GX 550 Overtrail is positioned between the luxury and sports luxury, providing advanced 4x4 capability with unique features. The entry-level luxury's spacious and flexible cabin provides seating for 7 across 3 rows, with leather-accented seat upholstery in dark grey or black. It rides on 2.20-inch alloy wheels and features a full-size spare wheel, LED lighting including dynamic self-leveling headlights, rear privacy glass, rear spoiler and flat roof rails. Both front seats feature 8-way adjustment with lumbar and memory functions, 3-level, low-medium-high heating temperature control and seat ventilation. The outer seats of the 60/40 split-folding second row are also heated for extra comfort, and the 3-zone automatic climate control provides precise temperature adjustment for all occupants. The third-row seats fold at the touch of a button, while the electric tailgate and retractable glass hatch provide added convenience. Connectivity in the GX 550 Luxury comes in the form of a 14-inch touchscreen multimedia system with wireless Apple CarPlay 3 and Android Auto 4, a 10-speaker sound system, a 12.3-inch digital multi-information display and a color head-up display. Ample charging options include 5 USB-C ports, a 12V front and 220V rear socket and a Qi wireless charger 5.